Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today we're diving into 7 fun hacks that will make your winter experience unforgettable. From colorful snow paint to cozy hot cocoa bars, we've got everything you need to brighten up those chilly days. Let's jump right in. Hack 1. DIY snow paint. Materials needed: water, food coloring, and spray bottles or squeeze bottles. First up, let's create some vibrant DIY snow paint. This is a fantastic way to add color to your snowy landscape. All you need is water and food coloring. Mix them in spray bottles or squeeze bottles. Let the kids spray or squirt their designs onto the snow, creating a beautiful winter canvas. It's a fun and creative way to enjoy the outdoors. Hack 2. Snowball launcher. Materials needed: a plastic bottle, empty, and scissors. Next, let's make a snowball launcher. This simple hack will keep your hands warm while you have fun in the snow. Just take an empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom. Use the top part as your launcher. Pack some snow into the bottle, aim, and launch. It's perfect for snowball fights without the cold hands. Hack 3. Winter nature scavenger hunt. Materials needed: paper, pen, and optionally, a camera for photos. Turn your snowy day into an adventure with a winter nature scavenger hunt. Create a list of winter items to find, like pine cones, animal tracks, or specific types of trees. Head outside with family or friends and see who can find everything first. It's a great way to explore nature and enjoy some friendly competition. Hack 4. Hot cocoa bar. After all that fun in the snow, it's time to warm up with a cozy hot cocoa bar. You'll need different types of hot chocolate, marshmallows, whipped cream, and some delicious toppings like peppermint sticks or chocolate shavings. Set it all up outside on a table, maybe add some blankets for extra coziness. Enjoy sipping your hot cocoa while sitting by a fire pit, or wrapped in those warm blankets. It's the perfect way to relax after playing in the snow. Hack 5. Snow fort building contest. Materials needed: shovels, buckets. Now let's have some fun with a snow fort building contest. Divide into teams and see who can build the most creative or elaborate fort within a set time limit. Use shovels and buckets for construction tools. This is not only fun but also encourages teamwork and creativity. Hack 6. Snowman kit. Materials needed: carrot noses, buttons, scarves, hats, bucket. Create a snowman kit filled with all the essentials for building the perfect snowman. Include items like carrot noses, buttons for eyes, scarves, and hats, all in one handy bucket. When it snows, grab your kit and head outside to build your snowy friend. It makes building snowmen even more fun. Hack 7. Winter photography challenge. Materials needed: camera or smartphone, list of themes. Finally, let's capture the beauty of winter with a photography challenge. Set themes like snowflakes or winter wildlife, and take photos throughout the season. Share your favorite shots with friends or family for fun feedback. It's a great way to appreciate the stunning winter scenery around you. And there you have it. 7 fun hacks to enjoy winter like never before. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you love these hacks, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas throughout the year. Happy winter adventures!